Top 8 Best Wet-Dry Shop Vacs 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Big capacity, big power. The Stanley SL18116P Wet/Dry Vacuum packs a 22-liter tank and a 4-peak horsepower motor. It's got the suction for almost any cleanup, from garage to basement. It's truly 3-in-1. Vacuum wet spills, dry debris, or blow leaves. With over 16 feet of reach from its hose, cord, and extension wands, you won't constantly unplug for farther cleanups. Just note its 1 1/4 inch hose size. For general home and auto maintenance, it's a convenient, versatile solution. Heavy-duty construction might need a different wet-dry shop vac. Number 2. Its dual flex hose resists kinking, offering 180-degree mobility, meaning easier navigation in your workspace. This 16-gallon, 6.5 peak HP CRAFTSMAN wet-dry shop vac handles demanding tasks. Oversized drain for quick liquid emptying, blower port clears leaves fast. A 7-foot hose, extension wands, and 3 nozzles are included. Its 16-gallon size is bulky for very tight spots. It's a strong, versatile option for serious workshop and garage cleanups. Number 3. Wall-mounted with remote control. That's the standout for this Vacmaster VWMB508 wet-dry shop vac. Its remote control handle lets you power it on-off right at the mess. You get powerful 78 CFM airflow and a 69-inch water lift for strong suction. With a 41-foot cleaning reach and 12 accessories, it's perfect for fixed workshops or garages. However, while it has a carry handle, it's designed for convenience when wall-mounted. It's a great choice for ultimate convenience and reach. Number 4. Up to 70% more suction. That's the Milwaukee M18 FOVCL's big win. This 800-watt wet-dry shop vac offers unmatched mobility, great for quick job site cleanups. Its 47-inch water lift handles tough, wet, and dry messes. The 2.5-gallon tank means frequent emptying on bigger jobs, though. It's also 87 decibels, so not the quietest. If you need powerful suction in a compact, portable unit, it's worth a look. Skip it for large-scale, quiet work. Number 5. This CRAFTSMAN 12-gallon shop vac excels at tough cleanups. Its 6.0 peak HP is perfect for garage projects, home renovations, or even floods. The dual flex hose truly resists kinking, making maneuverability simple. Plus, you get a built-in blower port and a generous 20-foot power cord. With included accessories like a car nozzle and wet nozzle, it's very versatile. It's a robust unit, so it's probably overkill if you only need it for a tiny spill. Overall, it's a powerful, adaptable, wet-dry shop vacuum for serious projects. Number 6. The CRAFTSMAN 6.5 peak HP 20-gallon wet-dry shop vacuum tackles messes. It's ideal for shop or garage cleanups. Its large drum handles debris. An oversized drain simplifies liquid emptying. A blower port and accessory kit add versatility. However, its big size isn't for tight storage. Skip it if you need something compact. For maximum power and capacity on demanding jobs, this CRAFTSMAN delivers. It's a solid choice. Number 7. This shop vac is all about portability. It's a lightweight, 1-gallon, 1.0 peak HP wet-dry vacuum, ideal for quick wet or dry pickups in your car, garage, or workshop. You get a 4-foot hose, crevice tool, and gulper nozzle, all storing on board. It offers 50 CFM and 45 inches of water lift. But that 1-gallon tank means frequent emptying. It's not for large messes. For small spills and detail work, it's a very convenient, compact tool. Number 8. This DEWALT wet-dry shop vac filters 99.97% of dust. Its Gore HEPA filter traps even the smallest particles, making it ideal for fine debris cleanups. You get dual modes. Use the front utility nozzle or the flexible heavy-duty hose. It's portable with a large, one-hand accessible on-off switch. The half-gallon tank is easy to empty and clean. Just remember, it's a bare tool. You'll need existing DEWALT 20V Max batteries. It's a powerful, cordless hand vacuum, perfect for quick job site or workshop cleanups if you're already in the DEWALT system. Thanks for watching Best Wet Dry Shop Vacs. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.